Well guys, it has arrived. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. So, today's video, Big Lou finally got the motorhome. It took a while because he bought it from Arkansas and he had a driver go pick it up and drive it over here for him. So it's here, it has arrived. So let's go take a tour. I'll show you the outside. So it's a 2015 Newmar Mountain Air 45 footer. Big boy tag axle, and it's got for tires it's got some 365 they're the bigger tires, I remember that. 365 70 22.5. He also has the I like those headlights, 2008 LML headlights, or LMM I should say, my apologies. And this side, it's got one massive slide on this side. It's pretty much the whole RV. So you guys, you know, used to where usually you have one over here and one over there. Oh, there's your adapter. There you go. Thank you. You know, usually it's split. Well, this one's not split. It's one just massive slide. It's pretty much like the whole entire RV. And you know, I haven't seen inside. We're gonna go look. This is my first time. I just got here, but it is a side radiator, that's a good thing. And here's the best part right here. It is 500 ponies. Bam. Not the 450, 500 ponies. And my favorite part's gonna be, we gotta open this hood, because you know me guys, I'm not really interested in the inside. There it is.
Cummins ISX.
Look at that Cummins, baby. Look at that girl. You know, I don't know guys, what do you think? You think we can fit this in the Rammer? I think we can fit this in the Rammer. No big deal. What do you think? Yeah, I think it's nice. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It just like never ends. It's going all the way back there. Look at this, right? It's gonna be hard for you guys to see. I don't think you can see it, but here's the good stuff right here, folks. All right guys, now let's go look at the inside. And yes, this is going to pull the stacker. It's going to be a very interesting pull, interesting ride. I'm very curious to see how, because I mean, you guys know this thing is 45 feet long. It is 500 horsepower, but this motorhome probably weighs over 50,000 pounds. And well, how much is your trailer weight loaded? 15?
Yeah, about 14, 15.
14, 15. So this is going to be very interesting, but we'll see. So it looks like this side has got the two slides, probably the bedroom slide right there, living room slide with a little TV, and he's got all the storage right here. This is what's nice about motorhomes, guys, is they just have tons and tons of storage for days. And I don't know if I told you, but this is a 45 footer. Everything's all push button electric, so you don't have to, you know, deal with going out and pulling anything out, and you know, oh, that like lock it, so Big Lou can lock it up. That's a what?
Doorbell.
Doorbell?
This is the lock. Now if I hold this right here, it locks this, the front door, and it locks all the cargo cabinets.
Doorbell though. What is a doorbell? Just a ding dong? Let's go. Let's go. This is the entrance, guys. Let's go hear this doorbell over here, shall we? Wow, that's a fancy doorbell. All right, so here's the cockpit right here. Beautiful, beautiful cockpit. You got your navigation screen. This is probably your cameras. What is this, your surveillance camera?
Yeah, my cameras for the turning signals and all that stuff.
Nice, nice. Look at that. It is on a Freightliner chassis. Now, what's the torque in this? 1650?
Yeah.
All right. And then here is the pretty much your freshwater, black water, gray, all your information, lighting, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Nice little TV right there. Watch the little TV, and here it is, guys. Bam. Here's the inside. So you've got your two people. What is that? Just what do they call it? Jackknife?
Yeah, jackknife.
Jackknife couch there. You got your big boy couch over here. You got your dinner table over here. You got your kitchen over here. The what?
The elevator.
Oh, the TV. I was gonna say they don't have a TV in here. They gotta have another TV somewhere. Look at that, guys. I was thinking about putting one of these in the Rammer, right in front of my windshield, where it just comes up in case we're like at a rest stop or something. You can relax. But you know what we should do? Pull the motor. I get it faster. You know, pump some horsepower in this thing.
Build suspense like this.
Oh yeah, it's like come on, come on. Hey, that's not. So this is, I think, like LA's, but LA's comes out on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's like the Soapy Joe.
He has the captain chairs over there.
Oh yeah, his are opposite. No, yeah, he has these two chairs, but they're not together. They're separate.
Yeah, they're separate.
Okay, okay. And bam, there you go, guys. There's another TV for you right there, so you can sit and watch TV. Does this have a satellite already on it?
Yeah, it has the wine guard.
Okay, good, good.
Satellite.
Okay. All right, so we got the kitchen. This is a massive slide right here, guys. That is a
It
huge.
goes from back there.
Holy crap!
Dude.
Look at this slide.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I just want to know how much this slide weighs. That is one
Lot.
massive slide. So now, since this is a 4 slide, pretty much 3, whatever you want to call it, one, it's pretty much the size of the whole motorhome. How does this, like, can you walk when you pull them all closed? You have room?
Yeah, you get room.
Okay, because you guys know some of these motorhomes, when you put all the slides in, you literally have to like go sideways to start walking, because of, you know, how tight it is when you pull all the slides in. But this is nice. What is this, washer dryer?
Yeah.
You know, you can take that
You
out.
can still open up all the cabinets and stuff whenever it's closed.
Oh,
It
nice.
doesn't get in the way.
Okay. Very nice, very nice. Got a nice fridge, big fridge. Now, does this have propane or no?
No, it's all electric coach.
See, that's a lot of these coaches, guys, now are coming all electric, no propane at all whatsoever. I don't know if I like it yet. I haven't decided. I mean, I guess it's nice. You don't have to deal with filling up propane, but I'm wondering also, like, God forbid something happens and you need a backup, you know, for the fridge. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's something we got to get used to. And here is bathroom number 1. And
And I
then
like about this. Look at it. Turn it up, open up.
oh, nice.
Slides like that, pivots.
Nice little pivot action there.
Save some space.
Very nice, very nice. What do we got here? The master.
Yeah.
The master. It's a lot, tons of room back here.
A lot of it.
Nice TV over there. There's your.
Has all the LED lights. And then it has
More storage.
more storage down here.
Ooh, baby. Oh, it's got that internal vacuum.
Yeah,
Thing?
central vacuum thing.
Central vacuum, yeah. Nice, nice. Check it out, guys. This is where Big Lou just sits here and meditates when he's in the shower. He's thinking about what dune ride should we go on next and what time and probably what to cook. So this right here is going to be the master.
Yep.
Everything's all push button. Oh, that's the best.
Yeah.
Man, look
And you can have switches all over it, like here, there, and in the bathroom for the water pump.
nice.
You just press it and it's on.
Look at that. Tons of room. Closet. Beautiful closet here.
It's all cedar.
All see, yeah, damn. We should put our cigars in here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The previous owner left us some gold on the right.
Some what?
Some gold toilet paper.
Nice. Gold toilet paper. That's good.
You know, nobody can get them over here in California.
Yeah, that's like, this is right there. We better lock this thing up. Keep this thing closed. There's your flusher, where you do all your business at. Nice big shower here. But man, I don't know. You know, once you get in, you're gonna be a little tall. Can you fit in the shower? I don't know. Looks a little small for Big Lou over here.
Tommy fit into it.
I mean, I can fit in perfect, but I don't know.
Man, you got like...
It's a little tight for you, man. Yeah, it'll be good, but it's gonna be
I don't have hair, so it's okay.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you don't have no hair to scrub. Wow, they must make these for average people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not giants.
Not 6 feet people. Well, you guys are 6 feet and up, you're gonna have a hard time showering. We might have to make a sunroof over there for Big Lou to.
Do a class action lawsuit against Newmar.
Yeah, we need a
Anybody
bigger.
over 6 foot.
Oh, I like it, guys. This is beautiful. Very, very nice. Very nice. I just can't believe this slide is insane. Look at this.
Huge.
This slide literally goes from the bedroom all the way to the front. I mean, this has got to be a what? 30-foot slide?
At least.
That is insane.
30, 35 feet at least.
What do we got here? Electronics?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's the wine guard. All right. It's nice. Got any food? Oh, those are all the magic spices will go. I'll open up the fridge for you guys. There's really nothing in it yet, but we're getting ready to head out to the desert. Nice, big fridge there.
The previous owner left all that junk.
Oh, that's not you?
No, that's not my stuff.
Oh. So now, does this thing lock? Does it open? Oh, is this the lock maybe? No? I'm wondering what prevents it in case, like, from opening, or
I don't know, nothing.
maybe, okay, maybe just a seal, tight
Yeah.
seal. Very nice, very nice. And now these are heating floors too, right?
Yeah. So if you go to here,
Yeah, you can heat the floors on this
the
thing,
most
guys.
realistic way is if you go like you're in the master bedroom, right? And
Yeah,
like,
right before you get up, you know, God forbid your toes get cold.
Yeah, your
You don't
toes
want your
get
little
cold,
toesies
yeah.
to get cold now.
And you just click floor, and you can control
Okay.
which ones get the heated floor function.
I wonder how much power that takes.
Probably a lot.
Yeah. So guys, you know, if you are just full-blown lazy and don't want to put socks on, you heat the floors to keep the little toesies warm. And you know, honestly, to me, I maybe because we're in California, that's the stupidest thing in the world. Like a heated floor. Like we're not in like Michigan or.
Well, they use the Oasis system to power it.
Yeah, the engine.
Yeah. No, the
to
Oasis.
heat it. You're talking about your Aqua Hot, the hot water.
Yeah, they use it to heat the floor.
To heat the floor, yeah.
That's the same heating system.
Yeah, so
They just threw it in.
yeah, I don't know, guys. You know, let me know. Me personally, I would probably never in my life use a heated floor, just because you know
Shades.
I wear socks. But I don't know. Other than that, I think it's beautiful. It's very, very nice.
And all the shades and stuff.
This is nice. There you go. Are those the blackout? Oh wait, it's going down. Big Lou's still trying to figure out how to use all this stuff. He's just pushing buttons over here. Oh, there we go. It's going up right now.
And then these ones control the dinette night shade.
Nice.
So they're all electric and stuff. This is an all seasons coach, like a 4-season coach. So like they have the heated floor and it's heavily insulated, and the
That's
quality
good.
is like really, really high because people spend like all year.
Yeah,
in this.
I will say, guys, my favorite brand of motorhomes is Newmar. Newmar is one of my favorite brands. I gotta say, it's Newmar and Integra, the Cornerstone.
Yeah.
I only like them just 600 horsepower. That's why I had to get the Cornerstone. But other than that, for quality, I would say right now Newmar's got some damn good quality. I mean, you can just tell in everything. I mean, everything is like pristine in this thing.
Yeah.
You know, there's no little flaws anywhere. There's no, you don't have stuff coming off, no screws. You know, it's none of that's visible. That's why these coaches are so nice. They're so clean, and just the detail. I mean, look at this, something like this. You know, where they have LEDs inside of it, and it's nice. You know, you can feel sealed tight over here. Look at even the foam. I mean, that's quality right there. I like it, guys. To me, looks good.
Newmar has the best customer service like ever.
Oh, they do?
Like if you like when I first got this motorhome, if I had any questions or anything like that, I make one phone call to them and they'll stay on the phone with me for like an hour, 2 hours until I figure out the problem.
Wow.
Ordering parts right now because you know it is pre-owned. Like there's only one owner, and there's certain things you know that just go wrong over time. Like the rear headlight has some condensation, or the rear tail light has some condensation. The front accent light had a little bit of condensation, stuff like that, and they stay on the phone. They figured out the right product, expedite shipped it to me.
Wow,
and
that's awesome.
You're buying parts directly from the manufacturer too, which not a lot of brands let you do that. So.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I like it. And doesn't this have like the table or something for the driver?
Yeah.
Or passenger?
Yeah.
It's got like a little laptop table.
Yeah,
Yeah, there it is.
They
Yep.
say it's for like people, you know, like the passenger's supposed to hold out the maps or whatever and stuff. So.
There you go. So when we get lost going to the desert,
Yeah.
it's really one freeway and that's it. Bam, there you go. So if you guys want to do some work
Yeah.
on the road, you're
What's
good to
like
go.
cool too that I like is this.
What do we got? What do we got? Step.
So look at this.
Nice. Close it up so you don't fall out.
But it sits flush. Right
Nice.
there.
That's for Big Lou, guys. So when he
Yeah.
walks out for his safety, he doesn't
Yeah.
fall. Poor Big Lou. All right. Well, it looks good. Look at that, guys. Allison transmission. Comfort drive. That's nice. What is this for? Comfort drive.
So they say for when you're driving, let's say you hit some wind or
Okay.
some curvy roads or whatever, you'll go up on the comfort drive and it'll stiffen out the steering wheel so you can make the whole coach a little more manageable to drive.
So you put it in sport mode.
It's like a
Alright.
like a sport handling, yeah.
All right. Nice.
So
Nice.
and that's what helps you not feel a lot of the body roll and stuff like that in the coach.
That's one thing, guys, about like I've driven a regular motorhome and then I've driven a tag axle motorhome, and one thing I've noticed with tag axle motorhomes is they drive so nice. It sort of reminds me of driving, like, here's a perfect example, a 3500 single wheel and a 3500 dually. You drive a dually and it is just so solid on the road. That's sort of like the same thing with this tag axle. Is when I drive a non-tag axle, you can feel the motorhome like move and swaying back and forth. Then you get into a tag axle, literally the thing has no movement at all. It's just solid on the road, and that's one good thing. If I were to get a motorhome, it would be a tag axle. I would not get a regular, just any the non-tag basically. But if you're asking me, well, about dually and stuff like that, Dually for me is just too damn big. I mean, look at those hips. I couldn't drive that thing every day. You know, Big Lou got some big hips, so he likes that. Me, yeah, you know, it was fine. And I'm not towing. You know, Lewis, as you guys know, he had the big 45-foot Attitude, which is still for sale, and he had that big monster. So I don't know. I'm not gonna say you need a dually, like you have no choice, but it's gonna drive the best with the dually. That's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.